Okay, dear guys, now I am in Dragon Garden. In this Dragon Garden, I have come here to visit, not only visit, but also I would like to show you some informative and educative and also innovative things. At the time of my visiting, I have been meeting with somebody. I am also following someone like here. What's your name?
My name is Shafiqul
Okay,
Islam.
please, brother, come here. What's your name? Walaikum salam.
My name is Sadiquddin
Okay, just I would like to take an interview. I think you are the students, am I right?
Yes.
Are you students?
Yes.
Oh, sure. Can you participate in one type of means interview in my YouTube channel?
No problem.
Dear guys, you know that I have a YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel name is Moshiur's Spoken English. In this Moshiur's Spoken English YouTube channel, you may find various types of English conversation. That's why I would like to take. I am so much eager to take an interview from them. Is it possible or impossible?
Yes.
Okay, please sit and you are starting your conversation. Okay, maybe you may pick dragons and take in hand also. At the time of taking, just you are conversing between two. We'd like to judge that are you really fit or unfit in English, because you are the students of today. I think that today's fifth generation are so much expert in English. That's why we would like to just you are starting. You are studying. He is responding.
Hello, brother. How
Hello.
are you? I'm fine
Lovely.
by the mercy of Allah. What's your name? My name is Sadiquddin Siam, but everyone calls me Siam. What's your name? My name is Shafiqul Islam Mahi, but my nickname is Mahi, and I like the name really. What's your father's name and what does they do? My father's name is Shirajul Islam, and he is the contractor of Polli Bidyut and as well as a farmer. And what's your mother's name? And my mother's name is Marufa Akhtar, and she is a housewife. Okay. Can you not tell me about your parents? Yes, obviously. My father's name is Nur Jaman, and he is a farmer. And my mother's name is Selina Akhtar. She is a housewife. Okay. Now I can tell you what's your aim in life. My aim in life is to be a software engineer or software architect. Can you not tell me about your higher ambition? Yes, obviously. My higher ambition is to be a doctor. Why you want to be a doctor? I want to be a doctor because most of the people of Bangladesh are very poor. So I treat them with less money.
I really appreciate.
It's pretty much appreciable.
What's your dream after finishing your school? Okay, anyone?
What's your dream after finishing your school? After finishing my school, I think I have to take some break to relieve, and then I'll start my preparation for admitting colleges. And why?
What is in your hand?
What is in your hand? This is called dragon fruit.
It is so much available in.
It's so much available now in Bangladesh.
Today I have come here.
Today I have come here for visiting my friend's father's garden.
Where are you
What
from?
the nutrition of this fruit? I don't know actually.
It helps to remove diabetes, skin problem, hair problem, etc.
It helps to reduce diabetes, skin problems, and heart attack, etc. Is it eat regularly? What?
It
Do you eat regularly? Not regularly.
is so much expensive. At least per kg 400 above. That's why today you have come here, maybe visiting. Am I right? Siam, what message have you come from here? What message have you received after visiting this type of dragon garden?
Yeah, this
Dragon is a newer kind of fruit,
fruits
and that's it is not available
not available in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, and it is a happy news.
মোস্ট
Important
না স্যার যে ইয়ার উদ্যোক্তা যে বলে
entrepreneur.
মোস্ট অফ দ্য এন্টারপ্রেনার আর
Now cultivating this type of dragon. So it is obviously positive message for the Bangladesh, because previous establishing or before starting this type of cultivation in Bangladesh, most of the people, most of the time we are habituated eating this type of fruit from outside, like Mexico, Thailand, etc. But we are the people of northern side, means like we are living in Birgonj, Dinajpur. That's why it is a message for somebody that you may find here available dragon in Birgonj. Now we are in Bahadurhat, am I right? From maybe Bahadurhat, this type of garden is not more far from 2 kilometers away. If any entrepreneur also wants to have any kind of interest to grow or to cultivate this type of garden, it may be a message for them. You may visit this garden. Okay, end the conversation.
okay, nice to meet you brother, and be safe and sound, and pray for me so that I can fulfill my dream, and I also pray for you, be healthy and healthy. That's it.
Nice to meet you. To take care of your health.
Inshallah,
Come to school again. We'll meet in
if Allah gives me scope, we'll meet again inshallah.
Okay, okay, adorable elite online community. Now I'm also here in this scorching heat today. The sun is rising so much, that's why it is impossible to go to show around the garden of this dragon. You are following a lot of persons here. Whenever they have understood that Moshiur's spoken English YouTube channel has come, they have crowded here. That's why it's a lucky news for you. I am also following here some of the visitors. Please, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Birgonj.
You have come from Birgonj?
Yes, sir.
Maybe you have come from using bike, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they have come from Birgonj using bike. We have heard that this type of garden is nearly 50 kilometers away from Birgonj, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Means we may tell that it is outskirt of Birgonj. That's why it is not available to come. If any person wants to, if any visitor wants to visit this type of garden, obviously you may come using your own bike. Otherwise, you may have to hire from somebody. Maybe they're the student. That's why I would like to take also interview from them. Mr. Tell about yourself.
My name is Simon Boy, but everyone calls me as Boy. My father's name is Mamun Reza. He's a businessman. And my mother is a housewife. She's a housewife.
Okay, are you a student of Birgonj Government Pilot?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you very much. I am really lucky that having this type of student up here. In this Dragon Garden, I have also got a lot of students of Birgonj Government. It's a credit that in this Friday or holiday, they have not taken any kind of steps to waste their time, because they have come here to take the natural view. Okay, please tell about yourself.
I am a student. My name is Asaduzzaman Genius. Everyone calls me Genius.
Genius.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, this type of name has not been named to me. It is first time that I have heard a name of his Genius. Genius is one type of student, is brilliant. Okay, next. What does your father do?
My father is a head teacher, and my mother is also teacher.
Okay, I think that you are the teacher's background family, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your dream to be?
My dream to be a national cricketer.
You want to be he wants to be a cricketer also. Why do you want to be a cricketer? We know that cricket is an international game, but we are living in Bangladesh, but you are not playing, you do not like any kind of football, but you are liking cricket. For why?
Cricket is my favorite game.
Okay, that's why you have chosen, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, next, what's your hobby?
My hobby is to be football and cricket playing.
Genius, why have you come here today? I've come here to visit.
To see the garden.
Okay, this type of Genius student, he has come here to visit this type of Dragon Garden. Genius, I have heard that maybe this type of garden is created by your friend's father, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, where is he? She's here. Okay, please, Sibat, where are you?
I'm Sibat.
Sibat. Sibat, where are you? Maybe Sibat is looking maybe garden, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe he is so much busy because he has come here. He has gone somebody's house. Owner of it. Okay, what?
Yes,
James, Sibat. Okay, Sibat, come here.
Come.
Quick. We have got that. He is also a student of. His name is Sipat. We have heard that Sipat fathers has started this type of garden. And the dreaming of this garden has been nearly come from the brain of Sifat's brother, who is also, you will be surprised to that Sifat's brother is also my student. He was once a student of mine. Sifat, please come here. How much time ago did you? Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine, but today I have come here to visit your brothers or your dragon garden. How much time did you come here? 15 minutes ago? How many minutes ago? 10 minutes ago, using bike, am I right? Okay, so Mikat, maybe, tell about yourself.
Hi, my name is Mikhail Hussain. My father's name is Shoidul Islam. She is a businessman.
He is a businessman.
He is a businessman. My mother's name is Eva. She is a housewife,
Okay.
and I am from Birgonj.
Okay, you have come from Birgans to visit your friends.
Friends Garden.
Dragon Garden. Okay. Thank you very much. You have understood from them that they are nearly able to speak in English without having any hesitation. So this message may go somebody's of English beginner who wants to be fluent speaker. Okay. Thank you very much. Really, my dear viewers, guys, also you will wish for them so that they may come continuity visiting this type of natural scenery. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay.